Hi people, good morning. I'm back to another daily vlog. I'm out already, as you can see. I'm actually out in my local town. I'm walking towards Tesco, which is in that direction. I had to get out of bed today, early, like 9 o'clock. I'm really tired, as you can probably see from my eyes. There's a big weekend, starts today. The biggest weekend of my life starts today. I have to get the train tomorrow. I have to get the train on Sunday. I came down, £11 for the train tickets. Well, not too bad. I'm at the house tomorrow about 6:30. The train pulls in at 7:10 tomorrow, so yeah man, earlier days, and then the one on Sunday service, which gets me there for like 10:10. So I'll be back, like I say, it should be decent. Today I'm getting picked up at 3:30, and of course I'm getting there for like 4 o'clock. But yeah, head to Tesco now, get some drinks for the weekend. And then I'll catch you guys at the big weekend, because I need to keep the storage on my phone to make sure I get loads of sort of videos from what's going to be happening. So yeah, I'll see you guys tonight at the big weekend. I can't wait. Up the butter. Yes, we're here, and the festival entrance is somewhere down here. But basically, right, as far up the road you're gonna. Oh, nearly ran over. As far up the road as you're gonna get is there. That's about as far up the road as you're gonna get. So you can't get very far up the road if anybody's watching this coming tomorrow. Taxi people then need to run me over, but me and Charlie are here. Ready to watch it now. We don't know where. I'm looking at the entrance, but it doesn't look like it's open. So yeah, bring on the acts tonight. Annie Max Day, some sort of disco machine people or something, and a few others. Should be decent. Let's get in the venue and I'll show you the inside and everything else. People, so when you get to the entrance, which is there, you can't actually get in it. It says Blue Gate. You got to keep on walking. I've been walking down this road for many years by the looks of things. About a 10-minute walk so far down this road. Going to go back to the Municipal Golf Centre. Keep walking, because trust me, you know where I need the entrance. Just spoke to a Scottish chick back then. She told me Stormzy's going at a ferry entrance there. So if you want to meet Stormzy tomorrow, go to the Blue Gate, and trust me, you see him driving in his car, but he might stop and get a photo. So yeah, there you go. Information with A.J.T. Alright people, I'm in the Pink Gate, right near the James Hospital. There's where else you're allowed in, but that's it there. But we're in, man. We're in, we're near it. I've got to give my tickets down here, but basically when you come tomorrow, anybody's coming on Saturday, you got to do a long mighty walk right down the road from Martin train station. Then you turn up and you're here. But this is it. Up the butter. I don't know who this geezer is, but he's banging out some proper tunes. We're in. Got a ticket in there. Know what I mean? Don't know who it is, but he's cracking out some rave tunes and that. Up the butter. it dies from this point on, there'll be no further footage. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If the phone doesn't die, there's more music added now.
I want to see you jumping!